Nuki kan thirat akin kan thirat lewaze acan te yakin na fa poi kan poi khomi tini ko happy kan ni hal ni se una tu joi me ra ya di la တဲ့ ခါကျရင်မိမya di la လို့ရှင်ကျမတို့ပဲအချိန်ခါမှာပို့ပြီးတော့ကလေးပို့ပြီးတော့ဥစားကိုယ်စားမှန်းလဲဆိုတော့ဒီမိမဖြစ်ပါတယ်
So that's a good question. So every month you go through the cycle where you actually are bleeding. Okay. So every month you go, and so 5 to 7 days you go through the actual bleeding of the cycle.
Okay, okay. Ma han thake ni khaden thak thok yan thok yang ke se tu kan he chim ukuma kan ni khane ni sri yang ke nuki anthira so te ni ya ne ke phune ni thi ya bai ma ya di la re tu ku pyo ya no ukuma ni ne tu pyo ya
Most commonly at day 14, that's 14 days after they start bleeding, that's usually when we have ovulation, when the egg will come out of the ovary.
Okay, we are through 10 years and 9 years through yadi la we are 9 years now by the Salia de la Via Kaja through ovulation so ovulation so tomorrow may my Mashi Osa extra hard to So Nikan initially Yake Katira and Tirati Medicaid Yanke, Manilady from Hanake, for boy, can you for example say Yati to Manilady from ovulation to be my ovulation to be done to me, new to me, ex to me here, what he said.
This is when you're the most fertile and the most likely to conceive is because that's when nature wants you to conceive when the egg is released.
Chim tu nak ma ovulation ma kan ek achwa chan ke kan ma neken avoid bikin ken fa kan poi ko na ke se so ai di chamaro ovulation so re mai ma tu khana ko she to 8x ဆိုတဲ့ဟာကိုထွက်လာချိန်ကကိုယ်ဝန်ဆောင်မှုအလွယ်ဆုံးချိန်ဖြစ်ပါတယ်
But since it's not perfect, like it's not like a computer where it's exact, and so that's why the fertile window is they just have listed day 8 to 19. That entire time they just recommend trying to avoid intercourse.
So children kan ni khai ni chong na kan te ko na te ma ni thread ni za khat ni ri ya ni ku lai kwa chung ke fa poi ke ni foi to ke ma ro ma kan si poi pon ne fa mi ni ko ke ma sar la ka ke fa ngai ki zo te te so ပြောချင်တာ14ရက်နေ့မှာကရာသီလာရဲဆို14ရက်နေ့မှာကလေးမိုးရဲတွေ့ရဲဆိုပေမဲ့အဲ့10ရက်နေ့နဲ့19ရက်နေ့ထိကသူတို့ဥစားကလေးယူဖို့အလွယ်ဆုံးချိန်ဖြစ်ပါတယ်
And that's why the last week of the cycle is when they recommend with this method that you would are the safest because that's when the egg is gone.
Atu bi mystery khajo kan chumai ummi kan ekha anum tilo ma ronga khan ke fapo jo ke harmi ke se to get the I just want to clarify that you don't really only like you just like set right after they have their periods right it doesn't have to be the first of the month or anything like that.
Right. This has nothing to do with the calendar. It's just one is the first day that they start the period, and that's when most women consider it the start of the cycle.
Madunga kan chika den center ga tu mi jo ma aken ni khan acheu ni bo ke jo thok ka jong ken thian ra thadong ma jong thian ra ma aken center ga tu mi jo me hi nan thira di la chang ka de zar ni jong ke fa boy na ni foi bi ke se ma di gar ni nan thira lai zar khat jong ke fa boy na ni har bi ke se so kuna sa wa pyo wa ra ကျမတို့မိန်းမတွေကယာဒီလာရှင်တော့မတူကြဘူးချို့တွေကကြတော့စောစောလာချို့ကကြာမှလာတယ်ဆိုပြောချင်တာယာဒီလာပြီးတော့နောက်နှစ်ပတ်မှာကလေးတွေကိုဝင်ဆောင်ဖို့အလွယ်ဆုံးပြီးပြီးယာဒီမလာခင်တစ်ပတ်မှာကျတော့ကလေးကိုခက်ဆုံးဆိုတော့ပြောချင်တာဖြစ်ပါတယ်
So again you could potentially expose yourself to a lot of people really quickly just because of the way diseases are spread. Just think about SARS or something and how these outbreaks happen.
ပြီးတော့မဘုဒ္ဓယောဂတတိခေမလည်းမချုံကအဖို့တော့မရောခိုင်နမဖတ်တယ်တော့မစရောမှာတဲ့ခိမိတောင်တိခေနာခိနချုံကိုနာဒီယောဂပုံမှာတွေကသူတို့ကပြက်နေတာအားလွယ်အဲ့ဒါခါကျကိုတယောက်မှလာရှိမယ်ဆိုရင်တခြားကိုနဲ့ဆက်ဆံတဲ့လူပုံမှာလည်းချက်ချင်းရှိနိုင်တယ်ဆိုတော့ပြောရမှာ
So protect yourself.
အဲ့ဒါကြောင့်ဒီရေးကြီးတာကိုကာကွယ်ပါဒီယောဂမရနိုင်အောင်
Most are treatable, especially the bacterial types. And so go to your doctor if you think you're infected.
STI ဒီမှာကsexual transmitted infection Makase, makakake yoga, pumake nintunga, unisakade, tamdaki to a CMK Captain Kodam Posico. I address the Kunabio yoga as Wajaro, say down and say Kulo Napiakin and
The doctors have a job to protect the confidentiality with patient. So even if you're under 18 and you come in with an infection like this, it's supposed to stay between doctor and patient unless it's like HIV.
Atam da ma du yoga ke jo uma ke nang ke min nau de kum le no kum le su long ne se mam du yoga ke nang ai de na thek so si jo ne si boy ke ka ne si boy ne ke na du le na pa ga a ho fo ke chim nam no la ne no ma khan nang ma la ne si boy ka la ke umi confidentiality ke ke se ma ro ne ke so sa ke nang le na pa ti na phan nang sa ne si boy ka chi ko an ma ne chim nam no la ne lo ku na se am pyo na di yoga ya ku na ne kha ja ko ma ko ta mi de koကိုကတော့အသက်ငယ်လေးတယ်မိဘတွေကြောက်တယ်ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်ဆရာမပြောပါဘာမှမဖြစ်ဘူးဘာလို့လဲဆိုတော့ဆရာမကကိုနဲ့ဆရာကိုဥစားလူနာနဲ့ပြောတဲ့စကားကိုသူ့မှာတခြားလူပြန်ပြောဖို့သူ့မှာအာဏာမရှိဘူးသူ့မှာလည်းပြန်မပြောရဘူး
And then I think the next few slides I'll briefly just run through real quick just the different ones. Most antibiotics for a lot of these. Keep going.
Sure, I say that way.
Yeah, trichomonas and pubic lice are really gross. And they happen, but you don't want that.
The last is just put the podcast. The man can tell I am to get a then not over and then not go on day.
Oh, that's so good. So a word on warts or HPV. That's why you get the Pap smears.
Do you want to talk a little bit about Pap smear?
Yeah. So Pap smear is about screening for cervical cancer.
Pap smear is mostly for women.
It's only women, yeah.
Pap smear is to be to me new da say Pap smear to me ma noon and dark possibly cancer sarcoma to me and check me
Yeah, we don't start screening until age 21.
Okay. Kum kala kum 21 kum kala kum kan nu ke ba kan ke si boy and then check me say kuna the Pap smear sir mai mai to ke sa yoga ai mai ma ne ne patat pi ro ke sa yoga shi nai na ma shi nai na so to sense ta ba 27 နှစ်ကျော်မှသူရတာလုပ်လို့ရတယ်
So a lot of teenagers will get HPV infections, but their immune system clears it on their own.
Yeah, that's what the show is. You get Miazu, throw the yoga, and I met the running you and the throw Kanawan, the 8 of that, what I kind of idea. Chimnamizo, 21 and Patana, Kujamino, Kizo, and Mino, Siri, the Akin Mamtuna, Gamanakan, and Tatsani came, Yoga, and Martin came, and Clouder.
And so, what about Pap smear? Did you want to know how often, or usually every 3 years, if it's normal?
Pap smear gets open to mouth of the because it's any got in house.
And then if you get pregnant, you get a Pap smear because it's a special situation.
My father put who's the one and tells about some Pap smear case, the one he came and in Port for Shemavia, that's on Fanning.
Probably herpes, viral. Once you get it, you got it for life. You treat outbreaks now and then with some medicines.
Herpes to make it so man, my yoga can get you let some cutting and a cloud of the down and set to mark and Lupina. The herpes where yoga jar, the capitulation same sheet of the chain of never near.
Yeah, if somebody has a herpes active infection and you have intercourse, then you'll get it. Or you'll likely get it.
Herpes again, because I said such a lot of market, herpes again to be here after go away. I herpes where yoga shaking as a machine, as an yoga.
Hepatitis B, it's endemic. It's endemic to Africa and Asia. The important thing about hepatitis B is that it is sexually transmitted and it does go to baby, and so it's one of those things we check when you get pregnant.
To people in the hepatitis B kito, ma nula bali sa sanwa an kami se, marunga ka nu to the fan boya ken ma bigo tan check to niya te ma bigo na ngedi nuiken. Nan fa in the coat in the case, the Bigoa to learn Sassan and Yari yoga to buy a yoga to make Marima to go and Samushin through Siamia to say yoga Shila. Alusoro, I yoga, she and make my clay go and Samus to clear yoga.
So we have had a few cases over here. Babies have done really well.
cái mà này dòng mà cả hen mà do people nghe buồn phán nghe people khác cái dòng tuần này tiền cái nó phá lấy cái tâm tiền lên tiền cái dòng cô.
Of course, HIV. HIV is the name of the virus, and AIDS is the name of the disease the virus causes after 8 or 9 years in your body.
HIV thì cái bố sẽ mà AIDS yoga thoát tới tụi bố sẽ mà cái yoga sẽ nó AIDS thì bị lòng cái yoga sẽ cũng là sẽ biểu là HIV rồi bố mà thì phải tụi AIDS rồi mà cái yoga biểu cho nó HIV là AIDS yoga bố phía dưới bố.
Maybe share blood supply.
Một ngày anh lên bác sĩ nó cũng hay bị lại yoga này bắt khăn cái này số sẽ lo nó phá nó bồi sẽ cho nó phá chúng ta cái chân nặng tập bị cho các bạn cũng là biểu là bố mày mấy mà đã xí cái mấy số sẽ tụi ta thì bị mà có mà số ai bố mày ta thì mà có cho cái số chúng mình ai cũng cái sẽ
Baby can get really sick. Babies can even die from it.
Học chế bộ lý dòng cái mà yoga rồi cái nên thì có anh chỗ có cái này cũng là bị mà yoga siêu ta mình là yoga nên mà chẳng mà phía này là tôi thì là phía này.
And the gonorrhea, chlamydia, syphilis infections, those can cause scarring in the uterus if they're untreated and cause the women unable to have a baby.
Mà thì mình từng nói chuyện bộ mà chlamydia, gonorrhea, and syphilis mà yoga mà thằng cái chân nụ bộ này anh cái số sẽ chânถ้าเต้นมาโยกาปุ๊บปุ๊บค่ะอันเจ้าโคลาวาเสียจนเจ้าเราเป็นชาจนฟังไงฟังอันไงเขาติดเราคุณอาเสียมันเยอะเลยโอ้ซาซิฟิลิสคอมเมเดียคอนเรียมันไอโยกาตรงนี้แต่ชิคเกลงไม่มาฮะไอโยกาแต่จะมาคุยรู้ใช่ไหมตัวเคลมไม่ได้ที่เราพิจารณา
And so, again, protect yourself. You know, a lot of teenagers in college, they don't know if the person might have an infection, so you don't know. And if they say they don't, you don't know for sure. So it's just at your own risk.
thì ये जी भी मिकी जो नमाले नमाना का कोई के मिकी ये जी है तो ते भी कॉलेज ना ना कॉलेज में पकड़ के के ने से साथ जाने दिया जो मा में पकड़ के से योगा ता ले दिन ने थे लो नाले मामा ने थे लो नानी जो ने थे लो ते जो आके जोบอกमिकी से में लोมาलो आके नाले ने का कोई मिकी था भी အဲ့ကြောင့်ပြောချင်တာလူငယ်တွေကတကယ်လို့တရားနဲ့ဆက်ဆံရမယ်ဆိုရင်အဲ့ကိုနဲ့ဆက်ဆံမှာဘလောက်မှယုံကြည်ရတဲ့လူတွေသူတို့မှလည်းအဲ့ယောဂရှိနေတယ်သူတို့ရှိမှလည်းသူတို့သိမှာမဟုတ်အဲ့ကြောင့်ကိုယ့်ကိုယ်ကကွယ်ဖို့အရေးကြီးဆုံးပဲ
Tested is only for promiscuous people. If you've done any risky behavior at all, go get tested. Even if you don't have symptoms, it's all about prevention. Finding out if you have it, you don't know unless you get checked.
Chiều hôm nay cho mà mình tập sĩ vẫn phải gọi là mình tập yoga tại nào ngày lâu thì giống như khi cho khi sửa đâu mình tập lúc ba đâu hay cũng đâu bị khi lòng khen rồi na thế nó mát chút chút trong khi nó rồi là cái mà lại khi na dùng ba lâu sau đó lại mà mình tập cái cả cái tình mình bắt khăn mình lâu ấy nào vậy sát sanh lên sát sanh là nó tọa sửa sẽ cho xí khăn nào cái đó.
As I talked, free ejaculate still can cause pregnancy, and the timing pulling out is not perfect.
Mình tụi anh chỉ mình tụi cái ba hồi kia nên tôi ý cái lúc chúng anh rất lâu em anh ngã cân bản thì câu nào thì kia chưa rằng là cho anh nên đặt buồn khen phá nên bồi cầu đi cũng nào bây giờ bây giờ trái à mình mà thêm mà mình làm cái nhưng mà tôi theo để rồi nó mà chạy kia lúc biểu mà trên nhà tôi cũng mình sang anh đi đấy.
For some reason, it's out there that the first time you can't get pregnant, you can.
Chiều mặc chiều qua anh được bây ở weekend nào nuôi ba nào sẽ sản cái phản căn bồi khẩu đầu tiên anh rồi vì khi anh bận lệ weekend nào sẽต้องphản anh bồi khẩu đi câu nó chú lùi tôi dùng gì bắt tháo trong mình mà để giải sát sản cái khả năng tôi cô ấy sang ngày đó chứ này đại mẹ mai bắt tháo trong cái phiên khả năng cô ấy nhớ sang ngày mình sẽ sản xuất.
Another myth is that different positions can prevent pregnancy. Don't know why they think that, but that's not true. That's really not true.
Chiều nay khi nên rồi nào anh nuôi ba cái sản xuất cái khi phun đằng đằng cái mà khi phá cái bồi khẩu đi anh rồi na để nó sẽ lâu nên sẽ sản màจะphá cái bồi khẩu giống cũng na sẽ phải chú lùi ra cho rồi tôi lên sẽ sản nó sẽ tôi vì tôi lên là hồi lên là mình cứ dành cái lên cô em sang này nó thế này cái này tôi ai cô nhà lên sẽ sản đi xuống sau này.
And this is an important slide. I just wanted to show that based on age, surveys showing who's been sexually active, and by high school graduation, it's a little more than half.
Atuma ken apiame kejo kumle ya petlain mabdo ise sandia kan zeku kum tenane tani se sandia tani kejo se high school di ka tangka de mino nungakan tangwal de ke mamdo lupa se sana ka ke tegen du jang twa du jang udia pya de ha ja ro chuma ro tai yue ne mudi bi bdo ya le maima ya ja sa sana ha sa tro pya de di high school ma shi jang ma re ne ta su pi ka ja lu lu ne ha lu le se sana ho tu nya ta to ba po bi almost done here. You can't catch them from a toilet seat. Infections from a toilet seat. And finally, to finish up, kind of leading into the next segment here, you'd be aware that a lot of the sexual activity in our younger children, younger adults and kids here, teenagers, a lot of that is wrapped up with partying, alcohol, drugs, and it's very common that the alcohol consumption can lead to this kind of activity that you don't think risky behavior. Tu yuji bi mi zo kan na le bin no te ke mam to fa po na mam to le chwa chwa mi ke jo an bo le sina an no na an ka zu an ding si an mam to fo de na ne to te ka ken ro na ze me dong an ro ko te lo ma ta na ken fan po ko ke se.
And then rape is an issue. Most of it happens with somebody that you know. In a college setting, it's very common to become sexually harassed or assaulted by somebody that you already know.
Mam to le fa po te mi ke jo rape te mi ke jo pan se se no ni ken so pi na se du lo tram so pi na ke se mam to jo ne ke ne fa po ko se mam to te na chu te pi ken college e mi siamana ke mi siama po se na ke cham se kuna to pyo re o sa ko wan sang na ma dai ji na ne le ko wan sang ne ma dai ji le so ra a nya su ba tu ba ma phit le so lu ni ja de ma so yin chang na to sa college university ma ne chang na chang tu tu re ma phit ta nya
My last slide, I promise. So as a practical thing, you know, if you end up drugged or raped, do please contact local authorities immediately. 911, get yourself to the emergency room.
Kan ni na man long du law ali sol pi sia so lusi so pa si so ken si so ba culture so emergency khana ba culture le 911 out de ke lo ko ma ko ta ti mi phe bi we de ma ma de ji khan ya so yin che 911 ko ba da mo lo shin emergency se khan shin ba ba.
Earlier intervention will improve chances of you getting treatment earlier.
Man to ken no kala sia jo nan man zong ke a hermes zong ka si boy ponen ton de wen ni to ko ko le an music kan ni sia yo ko twa chin a phi ko me o sa ka ko ra hai le pu pi ya ne.
And earlier they may be able to get semen samples from the perpetrator earlier, started investigation earlier.
Madin mamadok mamad mini ani sol pi si zong ka la join man to chunga mi pa ato ka na ko ho la si ti zong ka plak pon ni ken sa ko kuna pyo chana di ke lo ma dei ni ba ma dei chi khan lo se yong chi chi twa ra kaung na ba phyo lo le so ro ai ma dei chi khan ya kaung ma le ya apo ma shi ya to ba lo se ya wan ya yu pi ro a ra ni lo san chi ko ti ya bu bu sa to pyo ne ni a kha ja ye o ye twa ka le to pha.
Thanks for your patience. I know it's a lot of stuff.
Who have STI disease and they go to the emergency room, will they be able to treat and immediately and not have that disease?
Yeah, what normally happens is you'll get treated for the most common infections. You'll just get antibiotics just to cover it. And then they'll take blood tests to check for the bad viruses.
Mamdok an pagkalsa la mamdok pakat mamdok changsolit makal hua chone mamdok abi chon mamdok ke ngalam lo ke sikin bacteria di lo le ma chang tu chang kan kan ma ti tu longa kan nan thien nak than de le ma thi man zau than de le so na ba kala chang ka de ken an ma chak man ne chak de le lo ma si kan ne tak to de ne so le de ke na sia ma ka koi khu so an ka koi khu
Thanks so much. I know it was a lot of stuff.
so me ke Lieutenant Kundan to me say at the me here at the Southport Police Department patrol officer say and he you know he actually graduated from Southport High School in 2001 so that's exciting. Some of them are school from Southport. So ma akin Southport High School in 2001 kan ma would you want to stand up here so that would be great. Oh, I feel so short. So here officer Lieutenant Kundan say and here Southport to Indianapolis South me thang me say 2001 Southport High School la kan graduate me say ma fola kan siang kai le na te ma kan 9/11 September 11 chang le chang ka de thai na ken Air Force akin join me say Air Force join Lee doing ken you went to Iraq twice
Iraq once, Afghanistan once.
Iraq Afghanistan akan sini eba kalmi se ma akalin wa akan ma tawon cha dewa bom puak ken ma kha ke bom puak rong akan ma raka physical de lawe ma ka rak longthan arok longthan ma akan police department ka join din no kan tu ma so you've been here since 2007 right for as a police officer.
I started out in Lafayette at Purdue University for 2 years.
Yeah, and Lafayette Purdue University akan kumni pelak tuan sa ma kani ton ka jang na ka chimle ni se ma kani ani ton dewa kan hak che pol zuding mi kum tinglau zuding mi pol ke tam tu ke tui chumi ngai ni se ma de na tululo se he ma to palu me ma ka achil thane ma ke promotion na ngai adu kan ma sapore pelak dia te an ke officer ke akan big mi se ama atang akin nom ko le ke at tuan mi se ama gam ke tu DUI dan namam to ke pet lai en ke tambe usa per mi se ma le pet lai hen tuan mi se
All patrol officers fall underneath me. And what I'm here to talk to you guys about is education is very important for our young middle school, high school students in college.
Cái mình betul ngai sebut dengan Lieutenant Kundan kese tu ma arami ma tangar pun bise tu hui peta jun education kong happy tai ken kan rami se kan ma palat lele kong ken mino pola ken mau ke iti bise te.
What we're running into is not only with Burmese and Burmese Chin population, is our own American population is teenagers and college students want to drink. You cannot drink alcohol until you're 21 in the United States.
Atu pakat kan mani kan ton na mami ke to lai mi chini de thaman ke selo wa kan ma American fruit min no fruit ni ken kum king lo in zu ding mi ko me pet lai tap ti ke pet na ngai guna so sa di pyo twa ra ba le so ro tu ba ma chini mi wa sa le tap pe ni be ne ye tap da ho tu American du ko na nya so ba ta me pi be ne ye tap de ki sa nya shi de.
When I worked in Lafayette, Purdue University, I was a policeman up there. I would do a lot of college students, as yourselves, who are working very hard to graduate. You go out to a party, you get drunk, you get pulled over for DUI, or you kill someone. All that hard work's gone.
Betul ngai kan siapa tu ke Lafayette Purdue University aku ni ke ka oleh ketuan ma ketuan ma tekan tapi ke bum dan ma betul ni college student pol ke walau pia parien ka lagi zun ding ke anti ne tangga te anti nama ke modal long pelak pole and lay chill ke jodi yuanga chill ke jo walau pi ke minum tenan pa so te kan ti ma ti tenan chun siang nan ka mi har le fe te nan ka mi te kan lo di chang kuna siang yo sia dia sa yo Victoria, tama pi bene college jang na ya tau de ya tang le kha ja tu ip ne kha ja ba ro ye ye tu mi kha ja Victoria DUI ya ye Victoria ja ro DUI ma ya mane cha tu nya ta pi ta tai mi de kha shi a lu myo pi de kha ja ro jang tat de lu nge de tu jo sa ya ya de kong wa ba ma u sa ma shi ro.
And also, a lot of you guys are trying to get good jobs. You might not think it affects you now. When you go for that interview, employers do background checks. They usually call the police department to do that. We're going to see you have a DUI. Well, they don't have a DUI. Well, you're automatically out of that process.
Tu madi Indonesia se kita nan rada na de tu college yang cake uma nan kale DUI ni mi la chang ka de siang nan de rin tha nan besok ke rin sok mi dia te ni kin background check te mi ni tu ma check te ka kan an ma nan de ama pa is ri pu in be mo do mo me se kan kai te mi ke se an lang di le kuna se ra de ke DUI ba mi ga lo si ara na pia ko ni te ta long ရှိတယ်အလုပ်တွေပါရှာတဲ့ခါကျရင်သူတို့ background check လုပ်တယ်လုပ်တဲ့ခါကျလို့ရှိရင်သူတို့အဲ့လိုမှာအမှုဖြစ်ခဲ့တဲ့ဘာညာဆိုတော့အကုန်လုံးကိုသူတို့မြင်နိုင်တယ်
Also, if underage drinking is a big thing in Indiana, because they consider it country in Indiana, that'll stick on your record. You might get arrested for minor consumption in your middle school or freshman in high school. When you apply for these college scholarships and stuff like that, it's going to pop up. So if you're working hard in high school, as she talked about getting a 4.0 or 3.0 GPA, why would you do something for all your hard work to go away?
มาดีประคันสวยกุ้งทิ้งเราเองเคนจูดนานั่นติดกาเคนพลังปอดเคนจนทานต้องมีจุดนี้ตัดเลยเรานาดีเคนนั่น record ของเราจังนั่น record ของเราตัดกาเคนตัวงานนุ่งเทเลชิมันตัวกัน 4.0 โอ้แต่นั่นงาน 3.0 แต่นั่นงาน scholarship แต่นั่นสักจังนั่นสักนั่นจังขาดอันตัวมีจุดนั้นแบบเราชักกันดอกจันนั่นตัวทันติกาเคนมาเนี่ยเอามาปาเตยเอามานุ่งเทเลกุ้งทิ้งเราไปจูรับเดนี่พลังปอดสินะเป็นพาร์ทที่คิดว่าคุณอาเซียเป็นอะไรกันลูกช่วงเราไฮสคูลจังมาจังตัวเลยตัว GPA ตาอ้างเลยไม่ได้ตาอ้างเลยจังจุดขาดเราตัว scholarship จังชอบเลยขาดเราตัวแต่เมื่อกี้มันยังจะไปตั้งฐานแล้วเสียอะไรตัวกงกินมีอะไรยันขาดเราตัวยังไม่คุยเลยก็ตัวมันเสีย
And then somehow I'll talk about that Dr. Buckler hit on rape. That's happened a lot with our college students. Lafayette does a lot of date raping. Well, they break into animal shelters and steal the ketamine, which is called Special K on the streets.
มาดีมาตรงไหนสปอร์ตบาร์ชิมีปังคับเป็นลันส่วนปีนักที่มีเคชิมก็ดูมีจุมาส่วนปีนักที่มีจุมาที่ college ยังอักเสบนะตั้งปีอุ้มแม่เด็กมา experience จะคนละที่นักอักเสบเพราะที่ date rape ที่มีเสียดายตัวที่จะตัว animal shelter นี่นั่นที่เจ้าคนนั้นไม่que unte te chito te que anma zog do ni lowe zog da ni zog mi se ma akan what was the name called ketamine to be ke an ngai ma ketamine to be ka an theory သူတို့တွေကြာတယ် college ကျောင်းသားကျောင်းသူတွေကသူတို့တွေအဲ့လိုမဒိတ်ချင်းတဲ့ခါကြာရင်ကျမတို့ဒီမှာ animal shelter ဆိုတာတိရစ္ဆာန်တွေကျိုးစားအစိုးရမွေးထားတဲ့ရုံးတွေကိုသူတို့ဖောက်ပြီးတော့ ketamine ဆိုတဲ့ဆေးကိုသူတို့ခိုးတယ်ဟုတ်တော့ဒီခွန်ထောင်မှာခါအစီပြီးစေခုနကပြောရဲအဲ့ဆေးကသူကအရေးလိုမျိုးဖြစ်တယ်အဲ့အရေးကိုတကယ်လို့ကျမတရားတော့တောက်လိုက်ရေးထဲမှာထည့်လို့ရှိရင်တောက်တဲ့သူကအိပ်ပျော်သွားတယ်အိပ်ပျော်တဲ့အချိန်မှာကိုယ်အဲ့မဒိတ်ချစ်တဲ့သူကမဒိတ်ချစ်နေကျင်းတဲ့ခါအဲ့လိုမျိုးကျင်းတယ်တချို့ရကြတော့ကျင်းလုံးမရှိရဲကိုနိုးလာတဲ့ခါကျတချို့ကြကိုနိုးလာတဲ့ခါကျသူတို့သွားပြီအဲ့ဒီခါကျတော့တကယ်လို့ကိုယ့်အကောင်ကအဲ့လိုမျိုးတန်တရားရှိရဲဆိုရင်ရေလုံးဝမချိုးပါနဲ့အဲ့လိုမျိုးဖြစ်သွားလို့ရှိရင်
And the reason you don't take the shower is because I know after you get raped, you're going to feel violated. It's going to be the worst way you've ever felt in your life, and it's very hard for you to talk about as a female or a male. The reason you don't shower is because that perpetrator has left DNA on you. We need that DNA. Okay.
ที่คนเรามีนพคันเนี่ยทำเราเป็นอันนี้ส่วนปีนาคันที่คนเราเด็กแฮร์ตัวแกน่าเดชเชลที่เราดูปคันนี้มันตัวปาปคันส่วนปีหน่วยคิดจนคิดกันมาแล้วกันมาต้องกันฟีตุกใจลงอาตามันตุกคิดต้องกันนั่นเองมันตุกตนาอีกทีนึงจุกันดูก็น่าเดนอีกคนรุ่นเราอยากที่จะนั่นอีกคนนั่นจึงมาขึ้นมาอันส่วนปีนี้ปาเนี่ยคิดอัศมสิเซอามาอดีอันนี้เซปคันคิดอัตานตระมาคิดกันเองกันจะก็คุณน่าเปียวจริงนะจะมาเราทุกทีไม่ง่ายนะจะมาเราไม่ได้เจ็บขนาดนั้นสุดท้ายเป็นกู้กูอยู่เนี่ยกู้กูรูปยอดเนี่ยจ้าสิ่งนี้เลยค่ะจะจะมาเราช่วยจะยี่ช่วยจริงแต่ไม่ยี่ก็ช่วยเราว่ายี่ก็ช่วยบางทีเลยสุดแล้วจะมาเราไม่ได้จริงเนี่ยอยู่เย่ DNA สุดแล้วตัวจะเป็นแบบที่ตัวขนาดมันคู่คู่ชี้จะมาเราผมจังแค่ไอ้จังแค่หาตัว DNA อะไรแบบนี้จังคู่ชี้
And it does happen to males and females. So you're going to feel as a victim that's your fault. Maybe you led them on. Maybe you did it. You didn't do anything wrong if this happened to you, okay? Rape is never your fault as a victim, okay? So it's hard to talk about. It's not your fault.
มาที่อินทรูคันชิงก็ต้องมีจะเรดมีนุปคันกันมีแค่อันนี้ส่วนปีมีแค่นู่เราอันจังเราป้าจงแค่ต่างมาบางตัวมีแค่ฟรัมเราเองนู่นี่อันส่วนปีมีแค่ตั้งปีเบก็มาที่มีนุปคันเนี่ยบางตัวฟรัมเราเองอันนี้ส่วนปีหนึ่งอันคิดจนนังมาเนี่ยแค่เจติกขนาดนังมาเลยนังมาแค่เก่งมาร้องอ่ะเก่งมาเนี่ยบางตัวคุ้มร้องอ่ะบางตัวก็ตัวสร้องอ่ะนังมาเลยนังมาแค่เจติกขนาดส่วนอีปุระนังมาร้องอ่ะจังมีเสลาเต็มใจเท่คุณอาเซียဒီကပြောရတာတကယ်လို့ကျမတို့အဲ့လိုမျိုးမဒိတ်ချင်းခံရဆိုရင်မိန်းမပဲမဒိတ်ချင်းခံရတာပေါ့ယောက်ျားတွေလည်းမဒိတ်ချင်းခံရတယ်ဆိုတော့တကယ်လို့ကိုကတကယ်လို့မဒိတ်ချင်းခံပြည့်ရှင်လို့ရှိရင်ကိုယ့်ကိုပြောတော့မှဒါငါကြောင့်ဖြစ်တာငါဒီဟာစကားပြောလိုက်လို့ငါဒီဟာလုပ်လိုက်လို့အဲ့လိုကြောင့်ငါ့ကိုသူတို့အဲ့လိုလုပ်တာလို့ဘယ်တော့မှကိုယ့်ကိုမစင်းစားပါနဲ့တကယ်လို့ကိုမဒိတ်ချင်းခံရတာအဲ့ဒါဘယ်တော့မှကိုယ့်ဖြစ်မဟုတ်သူတို့လုပ်တာကိုယ့်အဖြစ်ပါမဟုတ်စားသိလား
Is there any questions about rape for anyone to
Atu ma sol nak hai from sol nak hai pe tlai phal nu be ma kuna ma dei chin na ne patat pyo me chin na chi lo shin me ba.
Fair enough. Okay. I'll talk about drinking and driving again. I've been part of drinking and driving task forces, basically where police officers team up and we go out and all we do is go after drunk drivers. Okay.
Atu kecil tu macam jadi pun motor mau mikir, atu kan ma pelak lak mana kan arian task tu macam pakate kuat kan game macam kan viet kan dik macam motor kan mau kayak kan kau macam jadi pun motor mau mikir kau dik kan viet kan mak pakate long kasih mikir kan game. Kun jangan pihak je na, ya tahu pihak kamau na ne patat bisa kapio je. Jangan orang di yes kan ma be, ya jangan orang cuci ya terus loka terus awak pima kamau ne terus alok tak kuat sih, ay lok kuat betul ya tahu pihak kamau ne surah like ada.
And the average DUI is going to cost you $10,000 in money alone, not alone the tuition fees and stuff you pay. Your college may kick you out based on the DUI.
Tuy nhiên xem học sinh có cái giờ mà đi qua nên mỹ số là dân tăng cả thong pha phòng cái chắc là cái mà này hello nên mình bắt đầu cái gì chiều xem mà cho đi qua nên cái số là dân xem nên cái xem nên anh phụ cô so bây giờ là thì đi college chăm rồi mà thì cái lúc tôi đi qua phụ sĩ điều chỉnh bắt sản nhai cũng nàyช่วยbắt sản cũng này phía tôi chăm cho này chắc cái tôi là làm mà tôi chăm anh bây giờ chụp tôi này.
That's if you don't get in an accident and kill someone, because that happens a lot of the time. The drunk itself doesn't get injured. A small child or someone in their car dies. That's what we run into a lot.
Mà Zudin bu đồng mong mình vậy, tại vì cái chỗ đây đã mình hút tôn để ở chỗ Zudin bu ấy muốn cho nên mong ấy mình nên pass vào chỗ mà mong ấy really bự cái, tại vì cái chỗ đây mình chẳng lâu nên mà rồi mà riêng riêng đã nạc chef mấy tí mà lâu là mình đang bắt cái nên bài mà cái thi tí mình cái tầm đâu cần hút bị xe cho nên biểu cho na thì chỗ cái lo yếm mũi này cá mong là gì nhà giàu à mũi bị mang này được rồi bà mà phiền tại vì tôi mũi lo mang này chẳng tôi chơi yang có clip cái tôi chỉ biết toàn time mình lúc tiền ở đây nhà gì đấy.
So to recap that, you're in high school, you're in college, you go to a party, you have a couple drinks, hanging out with your friends, you decide to drive home, and you kill someone. You've lost your career, you've lost your livelihood because you're going to prison, and that kid is dead. You get to live with that the rest of your life. So I don't want to live with that the rest of my life. So I don't know if you'd want to. I doubt anyone in that room wants to deal with that.
But then chip cả được bây giờ high school college mình tôi nó hồi đấy xin là party ở mình nó bắt đầu số tổng party nên re in cái cái đấy sẽ có cái chuyện cái đấy nên hating nên mong rằng akan mình bắt cái nên pass rồi đấy mà mình cái hate mình sẽ thì rồi kan nang mai mình đâu thì nó sẽ mình bắt cái nên read wrong anh nó bắt rồi là cho xem là cái gì đó là chân xuống ngã toa là thì bị cái gì cả lâu thì nang mai đi xong khen mình bắt cái mà chúng ta nói cái thắt rồi thì mình lúc bắt cái nên thì làm tiếng lúc chẳng lẽ cái chỗ cái bọt cái đủ lâu nên chỗ nó đủ mà đủ lâu cho cái thấy lâu cái chỗ mà cái mà chúng mình 15 day mình bắt cái thắt rồi thì mình lúc bắt cái chỗ cái đủ lâu thế dù nóไม่บุยมดเราต้องมองถึงขั้นปลักกันหาเลยแค่อันนี้ใจนะchỗอัตมิกchỗใจรองที่chỗที่ปักขัดขันกินนะว่าป่าส่วนรองแค่มาปลักเนี่ยอันใจไม่แค่เสียดีโดยที่มูวี่อ่ะการมองเนี่ยดูเนี่ยเราเอาใจเสียแค่ไม่อยากมาฟิลเลยส่วนตัวมูเรื่องขาจตัวปีซีที่คู่กับตัวใจมีเสียอะไรตัวใจมีจังเนี่ยตัวที่เดียวตัวเอาใจอยากขายนะพี่
So to sum it all up, even what the doctor said, if you don't want to get pregnant, get an STD, you don't want to go to jail for drinking and driving, or minor consumption, because you're not 21, don't drink.
Mà nó akan mà tôi ngay sự buổi đi trong ngày thì mình cho mình thì cái phán buổi mà tôi nói gì để cho chúng ta na thì na tao nó akan phán buổi mà tôi nằm mà phim đi trong cái cũng thích lâu nên chúng này cho xia chọn anh lại gọi là mà tôi na cái nên chúng ta phát triển là tôi chọnดูสิ่งโลกหาโลกแต่วันนั้นเราจะรักชุกเลยตัวโอ้ยเชี่ยบารุเลสโรตัวยัตตาอย่างมูบิโอตัวบ้ามาเส้นอะไรเราเป็นเนี่ยที่เราโอ้ยสังเกตเนี่ยบิโอขาจัดแต่เมื่อกี้เป็นนะคะยัตตาเป็นขาจัดตัวแพงขายส่วนอารมณ์บิโอเรื่องของโอ้กิสายเราไม่จงว่าบารุนั่นเลยส่วนยัตตาเป็นเนี่ยดีเลยเก่าสุดเลย
Okay, so when you get arrested for your first DUI, we're going to take your license away. You're going to get a pink piece of paper. That's a temporary license until you go to court. Okay. So when you go to court the first time, you may get it back that time, or you might not. Usually you don't. It's a hardship license until your trial's done.
DUI นี่มีส่วนหลักจนนั้นมีได้จังการเองคันเป็นลักษณะแค่นั้นเองใจแก่เล่นใจแก่ที่อายุวันนั้นก็หามานั้นกันมีจ่าแต่เราก็คิดเพ่งชีติมันเด็กแค่จะการพิงเตะเล่นแปลกแล้วมาบักกันนี่มาโคติงมาลองแค่เซมาเล่นแปลกไปเล่นแปลกก็เชื่อว่าจนมาที่อายุนั้นก็เลยจะเชื่อจนหาก็นาเต็งอัตมปีคือจมาที่อายุเงินมานั้นมุกที่อดีตทันยังแค่นั้นไลซ์แค่อันนี้พิบยาso ခုနကတရားပြောတာတကယ်လို့ DUI ပြီးလို့ရှိရင်တို့ကပန်းအောင်လိုမျိုးစာရွက်လေးတွေ့ပေးအဲ့ဒီရွက်ကတရားရုံးမှာမှုရှိတဲ့နေ့မှာကားမောင်းဖို့အတွက်အခွင့်ရှိတဲ့တရက်စာပဲကောင်းတယ်ပြီးရင်ဆိုအများစုကကြာတယ်တို့ license ကိုတို့အမှုပြီးတဲ့ခါကျမှပြန်ပြီးတော့ရတယ်ဟိုအများစုကပေါ့နော်အဲ့ဒါပြော
Now when we stop you, we're gonna read Indiana compliant consent to you. It's off this card. I have to read it to you by law. If you refuse to take my test, I believe you're under the influence of alcohol, you will lose your license for 1 year, and you will go to jail for DUI because you refused. DUI ဟဲ့ကဲဥမာကန်မနိခင်ကန်ရွာရဲ့ကန်ချစ်တဲ့ကိမနိခင်ပတုံငါ ICT တော့မိခါIndiana ပိတ်လိုက်လို့ပိတ်လိုက်မိခင်Andrea ရတယ်လေမ Andrea ရဲ့အပလက်ပနိခါနဇူလာမိ test ကအန်လာတယ်လေ มาอันทอดแต่เด็กอาคารกระดูกเราเด่นมานะอารวาเดียแค่กุมขันทองกันเลยมั้งมานะอารวาคือมาที่ใน DUI เคสก็ดังตัวเด็ดเสียบุญนาจะพิจารณาแล้วสิเดี๋ยวเราที่อาการ DUI เนี่ยมาแต่งงานบุญเนี่ยเสียตัวยักษ์เนี่ยยักษ์มีตัวทั่วหลายบุญเนี่ยตัวอย่างวายพิจารณาสายแบบตัวพับไปได้อินเดียนามาเชียโอซาโลเนี่ยพับแต่พับไปพิจารณาตัวที่มาขณะมุ่งเลยเนี่ยเดียวโอซาtest ကိုခဏလေးကျွန်တော်လုပ်ပြပါတကယ်လို့မလုပ်ချင်ပါညာတကယ်လို့သူတို့ပြောမယ်ဆိုရင်အဲ့ဒီကရဲဘော်အာနာကိုဘယ်လိုပြောမလဲမလိုက်နိုင်တဲ့အတွက်ထောင်တစ်နှစ်ကြာတယ်အဲ့ထောင်တစ်နှစ်ကြာတဲ့အပြင်ကိုယ့်ရဲ့ DUI နဲ့ပတ်သက်ပြီးအမှုကတက်ပြန်ကြအောင်မယ် If you've had a previous DUI, this is your second one, and you refuse to take my test, you lose your driving record or your privileges for 2 years, and you're still going to jail. Avoiding now DUI kung hapit lain anin klay than ne matong ay bento in kan test kan to athar tare na area chon kumni thong anin thak le ma kumni thong thang du ma di nuin kan DUI case ka dang ra ri le so ပြောကြတယ်တကယ်လို့နောက်တစ်ခါ DUI case ရှိရတာနဲ့ပြန်ပြီးတော့ဖြစ်တဲ့ခါကျခုနကဒီကဟိုစာရေးကဲမင်းအောင်ငါဒီကဟိုစစ်ဆေးခြင်းနဲ့အဲ့ဒါစစ်ဆေးတာတော့ तू ကမဟုတ်တော့ကျွန်တော်အဲ့လိုမလုပ်နဲ့လို့မျိုးပြန်ညင်းမယ်ဆိုရင်ထောင်နှစ်ကြာပဲပြီးတော့ DUI ခုနဲ့ပတ်သက်ပြီးထောင်ထကြ So if you get pulled over and you believe you're sober, you think you're not drunk, and I believe you are, okay? I'm going to take you back to my police department if I have probable cause at that point to believe you're under influence. I'm going to offer you the test, I'm going to consent. Take the test, because if you say, I'm not taking that test, that's your right. I'm going to go get a blood draw warrant for you, I'm going to take your blood, and you're going to go to jail regardless. In Indiana, you automatically fail and you're under arrest for DUI if you refuse. If you blow zeros, you're on your way. Indiana ကျွန်တော်ဘာလို့ DUI ပခက်ခဲ့တဲ့နိုးရဲ့ပလန်နေကကဝနာကနမဟဲဇူနေတဲ့ကိုရဲ့မော်တော်မောင်နေမကရအရဝနာကိုခင်အန်လိုက်လမဲအန်လိုက်ရဲ့အလဆိုစီအကျွန်းမနာအရဝနေခင်နမက DUI ရခင်အနေခေစခင်အနေတက်ဖို့ကြောင့်ရတဲ့ကျွန်းမာဒီနွာခန်အမနဲ့အမပလက်ပေါ်စနာခင်ကလတယ်လေမာဒီကလတဲ့သူနေခင်အမပလက်ပေါ်နေခင်တူလည်းနတိကေamat dia yang sinakin nak lol ke an bahal le na thi tana lo an la kho to pyo chin na de ke lo DUI ba mi lo sa dia ye ya ni pyo sit se chin ne de ke lo nyin ne so yin ai nyin chin a phit ne ko DUI mi ye so ra ko tu ro ဥစားဆွဆွဲလို့ရတယ်ပြောလို့ရတယ်သူတို့ဘက်ကဘာလို့ဆိုတော့တကယ်လို့မမီလို့မမူးလို့ရှင်ဥစားရဲရပြောတာတခြားလိုက်နာပြီးလုပ်လို့မယ်လေဒီအိမ်ကြီးရုံးနဲ့ဒါပေမဲ့ညင်းလို့ဆိုရှင်ချင်းချင်းအဲ့ဒါသူတို့ဥစားyes can call up the road session earlier. And I didn't mention if you're driving your parents' car or your car, it's getting towed. I'm going to tow it to the tow yard. Madin na moto zongka and tow yang le kick up and madin na malakana. Kuna pure gelo to you and Milo Shinka to token. Questions?
What's the difference about like misdemeanors and felony? Is that like if you got one DUI, is that felony or? Mama DUI, any me I can do my US agent misdemeanor to make it so
ผู้สิกนาเด็กเคเพียงทันตกเรา felony คือมีจอเพียงทันตกจังyou know พักขัดถือส่วนละตัวตกจังที่มีเคเสมาปนิอาตามิเซกุน่าที่อันนี้มามีอะไรบาเลสระ misdemeanor และ felony สระนักกุศลตรอผู้ชนะ misdemeanor สระผู้รอผู้เป็นการเนี่ยเราจีมุสาวา felony ผู้สนอดาสวาสวา
Okay, there'll be a lot to this, so I'll break it up in segments.
You can just do something pretending
The
to be
first,
one.
well, there's a whole lot of the felonies in the DUI.
Oh, okay.
The first time you get stopped for a DUI, it's an A misdemeanor. Okay? If you get stopped again within 5 years, it's an automatic felony. It's a D felony. Okay?
So, I'm sorry. The first time is a misdemeanor, but after
After your first one, within 5 years, it's a felony.
okay. So DUI คืออันนี้ใส่วิขนาดนี้ใส่อาจารย์ misdemeanor ผู้สิกนาเต็นมาตุกินเคนเคพันตุกินแล้วนาเต็นวิขนาดนี้ใส่กุ้งงาชงกันอาจารย์ทันเดียจนมาค่ะ felony felony ที่มีจ้อพันหางเราจะผู้ชี้แจงอะไรนักเสียดูนะดีอุตส่าห์เรียกว่าแต่แกรู้ DUI มีไหมปัทมาส่งมีค่ะจะตัวผู้เราผู้เป็นอะไร misdemeanor ผู้ชี้ได้ไม่ได้เกี่ยวส่วนนี้ไม่ใช่ได้ไม่ตะขาพี่เบี้ยนั่งงานเนี่ยจะมาตะขาเบี้ยมีไหมสรุปเช่หัวจีเจตัว felony รูปเป็นอะไร
Okay, the nurse on my hand says, say you get in a crash and you cause serious bodily injury, it's automatically a felony. If you have someone in the car under the age of 18, it's automatically a felony. If you cause death, it's a felony.
มาที่เอ็นนวิทบูเอนเคนประคัดคัดแค่มินุประคัดคัดแค่นับป่าส่วนป่าเสียจนวิขนาดเสียวินิหนักเสียมันก็จะ felony อาจจะจดจำมาที่โมโตน้ำมันบูนับปอชูมีค่ะกุมเพลย์ตังเสียจนมาผู้ค่า felony automatic เสียจังคุณน่าเพียงนะเด็กรู้แต่ไม่ช่วยกันช่วยจ้าเราปัทมาอุดมนะคะ DUI มีอะไรเราเข้าใจแต่ไม่ไอ้ DUI มีจังตัวนี้เราดูกายตัวใจมีลูกที่อยากโกตัวสารนั่นจังพี่มีส่วน felony จริงๆที่ตัวเนี่ยพี่รู้สิ่งก้าวมาเนี่ยดูเป็นอะไรมาทางนี้เอาไล่เดี๋ยวว่าแต่ session เนี่ยเอามาสรุปสิ่งไอ้เรื่องหัวจริงๆตัว felony ที่ตัวเนี่ย felony ส่วนได้ยี่จีเนี่ยตัวอุตส่าห์เราเยอะ
But the way you'd be charged is DUI misdemeanor and then DUI felony causing injury, causing death, causing with a prior whatever. You're going to get more than one charge. It's not going to be just a felony or the misdemeanor. You're going to get both.
So, children na kicho, mama token DUI misdemeanor, mama token lame DUI felony. Mama token DUI felony then hanen ni mix so sia jon maka hu pakat long selo. Ma felony nan tua ma nan tua so ni minum nan marong minum pakat ti minum pakat si jong pan ma si so so ma ko ma pet lain amhu kha adam ta tan na kha adam dam te le DUI ka adam dam te le คุณน่าจะပြောချင်တာ DUI misdemeanor DUI felony ခုရှိတယ်တကယ်တော့ DUI felony ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်ကို DUI လည်းမိတယ်ပြီးနောက်တစ်ခါဘာဖြစ်လဲဆိုတော့ကိုကြောင့်မလို့တခြားမှာထိခိုက်တဲ့နစ်နာမှုရှိရဲဒါမှမဟုတ်သေဆုံးရတယ်ဖြစ်လို့ရှိရဲအမှုက DUI felony ဆိုရင်အဲ့ felony ကိုကြောင့်တရားနာခြင်းမှုဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက်ကြောင့်တစ်ခါတက်အဲ့ဒါအတွက် dam တစ်ခုတက်ရှိရဲပြီးအဲ့ DUI တစ်ခုတက်ကဒီမှာတစ်ခုရှိတယ် Hello.
Yes. Let's say we got stopped by police and like one driving and we forgot our wallet and the driver license something like that. And then what's the consequence will be for that?
So you're driving without your license on you?
Yes.
You get if we run, you will give your name, date of birth to us. We'll run you in our computer system. You come back as a valid driver, you're going to get a ticket. We could tell your car.
Sorry, I'm going to interpret that.
Yeah.
So, mình tôi ngại hay là gì cả? Mình tôi ngại hay là gì cả? Uma motor ke kan mong pai ken pula me ken kan dir tare na ten kan man kan phai sbom kan ipil ta kan ID tan na kan driver license ta kan nge lo wa ken da ze din da sile te mi ka hal mi se ama ne le mi kha chom ma anin to den na min le na chwa ni ta na kan pe ka chon ma ka na record ka kan mane kan la ko ma din kan mane kan chika kan pe ka kise kuna tu me ya ge lo ka ma mo she pa sai cha ge lo chon lo driver license mi shi lo shin blo lo am so tu pyo lo tu me tu phi ra ge lo de ge lo sa license ni bai mi shi be na ka ma lo lo myo ye ya phan khan ya so yin na me ne mui tak tit ko tu ro pi lai ba pe lo pyo cho tu ro a tu ro khan le tu ro si se ji lo phi a kong information ni kong thwat la mi lo shi ye tu ro a phi a kong lo a ka le so yin ticket pe pi yo tu pi wa lai
It's actually a good question because if you have a license, say in Burma or wherever you're from, you have to have an Indiana driver's license to drive a car here. If you don't, you're going to jail. It's an automatic A misdemeanor. You're going to go to jail for that. Okay. First time offense, you're going to go. Car's getting towed. You're going to jail.
Martin atu na thal me ke thaya tia chu na cheu chu cho koram dan ha kin license nan nge ko na si maka motor nok ne kin maka license phim kin nan hao marong a kan license nge lo pi motor nan long sia cho nan motor kin thop yak le nan maka flex khana nan ka pi lai kuna me ya chu lu ya ja ma ba tro license shi ya ba pyo dai me Indiana ma ne lo shin Indiana license ma ho ma ha be tike lo Indiana license ma ma me na ka ma na mi lo shin tro ya ka o tro tho me pi lo shin ai ma ne lu ba yes can call it.
I have a quick question with my experience. Okay, you know how you put actually it's really nothing to do with DUI or stuff like that, but you know, you actually put on your wheel or your car the neon lights, and your car, the plate is expired, but you forgot to put on actually replace the plate, but you have actually the new plates on the trunk of your car, and police was stopping you for the lights. First of all, then he checked your driver license, and then when he saw that actually the old plate is tell you that, oh, your car, the plate is expired, where's the new plate? And I answered the police, well, you know, I actually have a new plate on my trunk, but I didn't replace it yet. And then the police were recently tow your car. They called the tow company. So on that case, you know, whose fault was that actually?
Technically, if you're talking about your license plate light was out, they stopped you.
No, actually, yeah. You put you know how like you try to make your car the fancy, like put the wheel on your car, the neon lights and all that kind of crap. Yeah.
Don't do that. That's Fast and Furious. Don't do that. So if we stop you for that, that's our stopping charge. Okay, then we're gonna get your license. Now you say your tag's expired. We run you. Sometimes BMV, Department of Motor Vehicles, doesn't update the system. If it comes back on our system and it shows you're still expired, I can't let you leave in that car because unless you got paperwork showing that it's not, that you paid the new fee to get the new sticker. So if it shows expired on my computer and you can't show me, yeah, I paid for it, it's getting towed.
Wow. So what about like the new plate actually sit in your trunk? It's just that you don't replace them.
Yeah, you get an improper display ticket and then make you get up, put your plate on it. I wouldn't tow your car, but.
Yeah, that's what's happened to me. And on that case, like, you know, why do you actually have to tow my car, you know? Yeah.
I can't speak for every police officer.
I think that's something you'll be able to speak to him afterward if you want to stick around. But anyone who has anything, question related to DUI, anything, go ahead.
Well, I have a question about what's minimum alcohol limit, and then before we take tests, how much time do we have for anybody's citizen? Yes.
Hal ni kita zugan din hu in they again an mapalak le again they akan pek me they can put in a DUI kan nga they can they point kan put in kan nga lo tin ka hal mi se.
So legal consent in Indiana is 0.08. That's how you can be, okay?
Indiana no 0.08 yang kin chun dia one in motor na ko ko tuguna pyo Indiana ma ni lo shin 0.08 ya lo shin dia one ka mang lo ya.
So you're asking how long you have to take a test?
Yes, before taking because my body told me like you can take 2 hours.
Yeah. No. So I'm gonna get up there and say I get to the car and I start talking to you and I can smell alcohol. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna get you out. I'm gonna do what we call a field sobriety test on you. Give you a little walking to test. I have 20 minutes at that point to get you to a police department and give you the breath test. That's why I'm gonna read my consent to you and your rights to you immediately. Let you know you have the right to refuse my test or take it. If you refuse, I'm the kind of guy, I'm going to get a blood draw warrant. We're going to go down to the hospital and I'm going to draw your blood. Okay? I don't have to do it, but I'm going to do that because I'm going to beat you in court. Okay? If you're making me work, I'm going to work.
So, achieve the meter, the hello, minung pakanikin, DUI nikin, ama nikin, kandirter. Ma kandirter no ikin, ama nikin atum, nabit lo kung may pinlayin kin test ani to atarle. Ma ani to atar, nang manikin, na al siya to naman ito ako bijo, ama ni si Julia kin akale, nang natike ang lakle, natisong nikin, arimari lo tinikin diako. Una tumi, alikelo dia atro ya kain biyo. စစ်ဆေးပွဲလုပ်တဲ့ခါကျကိုကမြင်လို့ရှိရင်သူဘာလုပ်ရလဲဆိုတော့သူစိတ်ရုပ်စိတ်ထိသွားပြီးတော့ကိုယ့်သွေးယူပြီးသွေးရနေမှာဒီတရားမူလားဆိုတော့တို့ပြနိုင်တယ်
So what you need to know is when we get down to FSTs, I'm going to tell you, sir, I believe you're under the influence of alcohol. I'm going to offer you a test. I'm going to read the consent to you. At that point, that's when you have to decide I'm taking it or I'm not. You don't get the 20 minutes to decide. I have 20 minutes to get you to the test. But you have to tell me right then, yes or no. It's not, well, I need to talk to my lawyer, my parents. No, tell me yes or no. And a lot of people are like, well, I don't know. That's a refusal. If you can't give me yes or no, I'm going to refuse you.
So I can request like 2 hours.
No.
ချင်းသူမိခေကြောမှာပလက်နေခင်โอเคအတူ test ကန်တော့လဲတူမတူလောအတရားခင်အမမနာခေါ်တဲ့ yes ဆလောလဲ no ဒီမိခေပြန်တင်ခင်နချင်းဟောကထေလောဘာညာနဲ့တရားချွန်မနာတော့တမရောခင်အမနီခင် LTA ခင်အနာစမာရောခင်မမ်တူပခတ်အုံးစီအစင်ပြန်တင်ခင်ချင်းခိုခေထားအမအတူချင်းနာ example လာချွန် yes ဆလောလဲ no ခင်ချင်းဟောခုနကသူပြောလဲဆိုတကယ်လို့သူအဲ့စစ်ဆေးမှုတွေမလုပ်ခင်မှာဒီကမေးလိုက်မယ်ခင်ဗျားကိုကျွန်တော်မူးတယ်လို့ထင်တယ်အဲ့ဒါကြောင့်ကျွန်တော်မူးလားဆိုစစ်ဆေးခြင်းဆိုတော့ကိုယ့်ဘက်ကပြောရမှာဟုတ်ကဲ့လောက်ပါမဟုတ်ဘူးဟိုလိုဒီလိုလုပ်လို့မရဘူးသူတို့အင်္ဂလိပ်လို့ဆိုရင် yes no အဲ့လိုလုပ်မှာတကယ်လို့ဟိုဟိုလိုဒီလိုလုပ်လက်ဆိုရင်အဲ့ဒါဒူဒီကအရာရှိကဒီကမလုပ်ချင်လို့သူတို့ထင်နိုင်တယ်အဲ့လိုထင်တာလို့ရှိရင်သူတို့အလိုလိုနဲ့သူတို့yes ကခေါ်ရလို့ရတယ်
So you can ask for 10 days if you want, but you're not going to get it. I mean, so if you don't blow 0.08, you're going to go on your way, but your car will be towed at that point. Because you're still, like, say you blow 0.05, you're not going to go to jail that night, but I can't leave you at the car. You're under influence. So you can call a ride, or I'll take you where we're going to take you, but your car will be towed.
So like 0.08 going to be like 1 beer or so.
So it depends on the person, probably. I mean, you're gonna know you're drunk. I mean, you're gonna feel it. Now, professional alcoholics, these guys are amazing. I mean, they can. I was telling you, I had a guy in Lafayette I pulled over, and the only thing he felt on my FST was his eyes, because your eyes are always you're gonna fail a test. He blew 0.43.
Wow.
He should have been legally dead, and he could have a conversation like this with me. So it just depends on the person. The bigger guys, one beer is not gonna. A small person like me on a lightweight, one beer. How you fall asleep?
Atu anjay ko ngai pet lai pin dek lu kan din kin ta ke kan taksa ni ken ma achini point ke aphan ko la de ke ani ro mi se ama ale mi jo na ma na pum na taksa le je tu ke ta na din chang mi he a pet lai adang dang ki jo ani dang ni minung ki jo ke ni dang je wa de kuna tu pyo ra me ya de ke lo chono ro khan na ko a yep ဘယ်နဲ့လာဘေးကဘယ်နဲ့ဘူးတောက်မှဒီသူတို့ point ကိုရောက်မယ်လို့သူမေးတာသူဖြေတာလူတိုင်းမတူကြအောင်ချိုးရကြရက်တောက်လာကြပြီးခါကြရောအဲ့လိုမျိုးလွယ်လွယ်နဲ့ကျွန်တော်တို့ပြောလို့မရအောင်ဆိုတော့ကိုယ့်ရဲ့ခန္ဓာကိုယ်ကိုယ့်ရဲ့ mood ဒီလိုဟိုစားအဲ့ဒါနဲ့ပဲ mood တယ်
And then it's not against the law for me to ask you to pull you over. Have you been drinking? I can ask you that question. You don't have to. Well, no, I haven't been. Everyone's had 2 beers. That's the international answer. I've had 2 beers.
Pelak ni kena, they sebawa kan zuna ding mati lo tapi ke hal ko nak lo kan ngai ma lo tiga kena nak ni kena ding lo zuna ding lo ding se tu ding ti ke chin ko so another and mani ding tu tu sana kan hal nak lo ke ngai guna tu me ra guna ကျွန်တော်တို့ရဲ့တယောက်နေနဲ့ဟိုကျွန်တော်တို့ဟိုရက်ခိုင်းတဲ့လူကခင်ဗျားမူရက်တောက်လားမတောက်လားဆိုတော့မေးလို့ရတယ်ပဲချင်းပဲဖြစ်ပဲခါဖြစ်တော့မေးလို့ရတယ်အဲ့ဒီဆို
来那人莫搞个梦，米里个铁，那希望你个白，希望你其实这点只有零的วันนึงได้สิจนมาคิดวันนึง其实这点ได้เท่าไรอีกเช่นนี้
This has to do with traffic. So someone with just a lighter permit just drive the car and then pass a red light and then would pull over and would receive a warning. So in terms of the warning, what did that mean? What did that mean, and how long does it affect on that?
So he has a permit, had a passenger in the car?
Yeah, assuming so.
How old was the passenger?
Ma liner tu na har mi akin liner hai bo do mong ki ama long mong mi ma hai singa slo le minung hoi kong le heta.
นะก็คอยคัดเทกันหมด
Upa te le de chok te
เรียนจุ่มอ่ะ
over 18.
Basically, I'll just go over permit real fast. If you have a learner's permit and you're driving a car, you have to have a licensed driver over the age of 18 in the car with you. They can have a license from any state. They have to be in the car with you, though. If they don't, you're in trouble. I don't know why you would have got a warning. The 18-year-old had a lot of driver's license? Is that,
Yes.
what was his warning for?
Warning kasi was the warning kasi.
Was he speeding or something?
Warning, because they warning trailer.
What did he get stopped for?
Passing the stop line.
Oh, running the stop.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I got a warning for running the stop sign or stoplight.
Yeah.
Had nothing to do with the permit. I mean, when we stop you, whatever infraction you committed is what you're going to get the charge for.
So, but internal warning, it's just a warning, right?
Yeah, it means nothing. It just means don't do it.
Chimdubi kito, pakat nikin, apalak nikin, and in dear tanwa, kinchen warning, a warning tatak kaya chun zayman sila warning to tu atang natin na kay sila maalam kasi man liner records ang reason na zayman alang law zayman sila ama palak nikin tuwa din natin na suso kasi ma achieve kito an ma mungkin ang ande siya chun warning sila tatak tiket ang piang natin ang ka batu na china chun mo ma long na suso long na kan warning suso din long kasi so ma warning ni chun na liner chun zayman sila na tu mi ke pagmakin si ka technical.
When it comes to the warning, you can actually see it on your computer, but there's no points that go on your license, correct?
We won't even show warnings.
It won't even show the warning?
B&B can get it if you have a permit, and that can affect you getting a license. If you say you got a permit and you get stopped 15 times, you got,
15 warning?
I mean, if we don't actually write a written warning, we just say, hey, man, you're getting a warning today. There's no documentation that ever happened.
Gotcha.
So ito nga chimdu pwede kan warning na nga ajon an mapala po computer sa mga dahil pa nag alang law ya warning din bisan mani malaya to at natin na kasi. Do you mind going over the speed limit and if we're after a certain speed limit, how long can it stay in the record or where did it go with?
Yeah, sure. If you get a speeding ticket, they'll arrest you.
Yeah.
Okay, if you get a speeding ticket, usually 7 years, it's going to be on your record.
Wow. Speeding ticket na nga ajon kung street yung kaya na record sa mga ko.
Now that's for your insurance. Your insurance is going to be high for 7 years. That ticket is always going to show up on your record. So when I pull you over, it's going to show a number of suspensions you have, you've been suspended, and it'll say convictions. So you get a ticket and you go to court, you're convicted. So you might have 40 convictions in your lifetime, but you're still good to drive. Okay?
Natin ito nga kung street ko chimna kaso insurance ano nga siya kung street mo kan insurance ni kan ma record cards dilo. Natin na naman na personal record nga ajon ticket na nga bigyan take alang di ko le. Natin insurance ato kung street lang siya. Driving on the highway said 70 miles per hour, but he said, I understand that some of my friends told me that if it's 70, you can go a little over 5 miles, or you can go 75 or 80 sometimes. So legally speaking, what would be the consequence of going over that 70?
With speeding, the speed limit says 70. A police officer is running a radar, he clocks you. It's his discretion what he wants to stop you at. He can stop you at 71 if he wanted to, but you can get, so I give a grace of, like Southport Road's 25 miles an hour, I'll give you 11 over. That's me. Corporal Bond here may give you 7 over. 12. So anything over the speed limit, you can be stopped. So it's officer discretion.
So chimdu na kiso speeding kiso amma ma na pong from umi apalaka ken amudi ya to jun ani ni jun kaima personally ni jun to support rom ke 11 sungin nan kala jun ka jaiman poi la to support 40 sila mai so ma support amma apalaka yen tun sia jun so ma rom na kala jun jai poi la na den atu ahoi pa ke ma ya be to le amma ni jun mit mal pa nga long ke ni ke chat sa pe ka jun somni le panga pro te nagal sa makin amani ante ko so bakit to teacher of law amma apong from ni pelang ni chong to azai anma ni an ni kida ke sitam.
And then with that, say you're on the interstate and everyone speeds on 465, we know this. It's a racetrack. So if traffic is flowing at say 65 and 55, everyone's speeding, don't be the lead car. That's who we're going to stop. If you're in the pack and you're flowing with the flow of traffic, you're okay.
Adang makan chimito, uma 465 kan motor mo. Motor na mga 465 kito adang mo speedy siya ko. Ma speedy daw ako 465 from 65 from na nakale media di to ke ma no en ko na te nang ma ke nang ma ya ke mo do ke asim lo nang ma pakat pini 65 ka le akal ni se ajon pelang ni nang ma khan te ko le na te nang ma ke mi hu le na jo le 65 se ajon nang ma kha ni kai le lo na te mai bi strong rang nang ma ni nang mo experience ajon nang ma kha ticket na ko le.
How about if you are driving lower limit?
That can be an indicator of DUI. You're driving under the speed limit. So if you're driving too slow and you're impeding the flow of traffic, I'm going to stop you for that. I mean, 2 or 3 under, but 10, 15 under, I'm going to stop.
Tuna speeding ke luan di sila wel ke tu men so bi akan men som tena kal sola jon ambani jon ma ke DUI akan ruale kan le ko la kan director ko la kan ta ke chin kuna tu me ya ke lo limit ko ma jaw be ne le 90မှာ60လောက်နဲ့မောင်းလို့ရှိရင်ဒီကပြောတာအဲ့လိုမောင်းလို့ရှိရင်ကျွန်တော်ကခင်ဗျားတို့ရဘူးလေလို့ထင်ပါအဲ့ဒါကြောင့်ကားကိုလက်ခိုင်းပြောစစ်စစ်
But it's just fair, like, you don't have, like, you're not gonna give us a tickets or anything like that, right? I mean,
Driving too slow?
yeah.
I can't. It's called impeding the flow of traffic. If you're causing that, if you're driving, say 5 under, no, I'm not going to pull you over. But you're driving 10, 15 under, and you're impeding traffic. People have to go around, and you're causing congestion. Yeah, it's called impeding the flow of traffic. I can write you a ticket for that.
Mayroon
It's very rare.
speeding long sila natin limit som di natin som sumi ko lang ata na kasi atun ticket kan ko ko ya te nang marong ne ni hulay me moto ya de kha tha de kan koပြောချင်တာဟို speaker မကြော်မင်းနဲ့အောက်ကနေ40မှာ30လောက်55လောက်နဲ့မောင်းလို့ရှိရင် ticket ရတယ်ဘာလို့ဆိုတော့ကိုကြောင်တခြားကားရည်သွားတယ်
Unless you have something big in the trunk, hazard lights all the way to the right lane. And then that would be a different situation.
Anyone else? What's Indiana law on texting while driving or talking while driving?
You can't text and drive in Indiana. Okay.
That's true.
You'll get a ticket. You can read and drive, but you can't text.
What about talk on the phone and
You
driving?
can talk on your phone.
Oh, okay.
But
So
that's
chimdu bijo mutu ngai ha mi ka thai ko tu ken Indiana mo to mo na da ken text na na bijo na rail ko na te text na ko de black me mo to mong le text na ko mi an huwa jon ticket at pe ko una pyo ra phone ko sa text ko sa ye ne ka mo lo shin di ya ticket pe lo ya de dai mai text da la phat lo ya ji lo ya pe phone le pyo lo ya
And that's a growing trend in deaths in our youth, our teenagers, our college students texting and driving. And then with that, if you get in an accident and you're reading the text or you're distracted, you're going to get a ticket for a distraction. So the accident could actually fall on you.
I think because texting the na be ta me nang ma ni ken texting na to ai na accident tong sia chen nang ma ni na pal ni slom na pal lo ma sia ke nang ma ni texting na radio we na ko le ro ma khan nang ma chung a khan so lin pu ko nang ma ni ma accident ni nang ma kong no ro ma tia chi ko una pyo ra de ke lo yo taxi ra ko le chen lo mi ma de ke accident chung lo shin tu ro ba pyo le so ro ko ma mo nang ma me ya ka ma ni ro ma text ko ni lo texting ni ro di accident phya so ko ko to ma ko lo ya
Is there any smokers in the room? Okay.
Senator Lucia. What do you mean? Yes, there's some.
Okay. If you throw a cigarette, so you're smoking a cigarette, and you throw it out the window, you're done with it, it's against the law. It's still not allowed an object of a vehicle.
I've seen this so many times on the road. People do that.
They just changed that law a couple of years ago.
Chibi jo kwak na su e mo jo na mo ngai na kwak na su mi na kwak mo lin tama ma kha la ma na so na jon ma kha ticket ni pya ko ma kha pakhat khan ni mo do atu le kha so na ta ko kuna pyo ra de lo se la to da lo shi lo shi se le ta pyo se lo ha o lam ma thu phit da o ka ma ne thu phit da o ye to lo shi ne a to ro ticket pe lo le phan do you actually arrest them or just get
Yeah, you get a ticket for littering, you're going to ticket for throwing a loud object out.
ticket?
So that on that case, like, because I've seen it so many times, like when I drove in the Meridian Road, and can we actually, remember the plate number or something like that and report it to police? There's any other way? Because they do that so many times, I swear.
In Indianapolis,
Yeah.
you can call, but it's going to be hard to get a cop out there. I mean, for that. I mean, if you're following them.
Yeah, I mean,
They're
just
just
saying, you
thinking
know,
video.
just to be on a safe side, that's all.
I mean, you can. You can call it non-emergency with 3811, tell them the guy's done cigarette butts out his window. Here's a license plate if you're following him.
Uh-huh.
If an officer's close, they'll go, but those guys are ran so thin. And Southport, by all means, we'll come take care of it.
Meridian.
Yeah, that's on IMPD, so
Yeah.
they're
Right.
stretched thin.
Adam nang dahil ini mah thung long ting bajang eh.
Can you tell us about drug like weed and K2 stuff? What? Drug like K2 and weed?
About me?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Weed and gang and stuff like that that's going on. Is that what you're saying?
No.
No.
Like drug and then the
Like-
weed, like
Yeah.
marijuana and stuff.
You talking about like
Marijuana.
Stuff, yeah.
Yeah, in Indiana, it's not legal. Okay.
Okay, it's not legal.
Marijuana there is a state check in I deal with street no way. Say check by here I'm not
If you drive to Michigan and get a prescription for marijuana and you live in you come back to Indiana, I pull you over and say, I got a prescription. You don't for Indiana. You're going to jail.
So true.
Achieve they wrong idea John achieve state board game say check deal with man phone say. Marwa can deal with I'm not going to stake in rock right. Ki ka se ka bai deal with ko John te mo kan rock ka John nang ma ka kan dai ko ya John kan ma stake it sila. Michael Walter and Lieutenant Quinlan, Nikan and Ma, Nipitain, didn't test you know, for avoiding them, I'm dang happy tayin. And pizza and Ma Tung Alum Long of Tampi can get, and Ma say, Ma, Janting Za, a home do, a tell to CSA, leader than Azong, and maybe piece of Tung Alum Long of Tampi can get. Is there a final word that you'd like to add?
Don't drink and drive.
So did you want to love?
Please. Listen to the police.
Talk to your kids. Open communication, I don't know.
Ma si boni to me junan fale ka ke directed iton go I have the girl de ka ki mam to ngani chon me ani chon ko lo ka nan ka de so tin ke and they all right, thank you so much.